Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Fine? Let's start our new lesson. Our World, Part 2, Module 2, Student Book, page 23, Workbook, page 17. Our objectives for today: 1. Deduce the rule of when and while through reading a short story accurately. Number 2. Apply the rule of when, while through reading sentences and choosing the correct answers. First, find the words. Find out the topic of our lesson today. Let's cross out the words in the blue box. Soon, not, till, even, as. Soon, not, even, till, as. So what is our lesson today? When and why. Good. Let's read the following sentences to decide past simple or past continuous. Ahmed ate pizza yesterday. Is it past simple or past progressive? Of course, past simple, because we have yesterday and ate is the second form of the verb. Eat, ate. So ate is the second form. That means it is in the past. I was sleeping at 9 o'clock yesterday. I was sleeping. Yes, I have past verb form of verb to be was plus verb plus ing. And also I have specific time in the past. That means the sentence in past progressive tense. We were walking to school at 7:30 a.m. Good job. It's past progressive. Sally played tennis last week. Played, look at the verb played. It ends with ed. So this is the second form of play. Also we have last week. That refers to the past simple. Good job, my dear student. Look at the picture. What did Grandpa do yesterday? He watched TV yesterday. Good job. What was Grandpa doing at 10 o'clock yesterday? I give you specific time. 10 o'clock yesterday. He was watching TV at 10 o'clock yesterday. So we use the past simple to talk about completed actions in the past. Also, we use the past progressive to talk about actions that were in progress in a certain time in the past. Now listen to the story, notice the tenses, highlight the sentence which have when or while. One day, my sister and I were shopping in a mall. While we were wandering here and there, we saw some friends. When we saw them, they were eating. We talked to them for a short time, and then we left. While we were leaving the mall, an accident happened. A boy was riding a bike when a car hit him. Lots of cops rushed to investigate. They asked a girl what was the driver doing when the accident happened. The girl said, when it happened, he was talking on the phone. I guess he didn't see the boy. Now, let's answer the question. What did Sally and her sisters see while they were wandering in the mall? While they were wandering in, they saw some friends. What was the boy doing when a car hit him? The boy was riding a bike when a car hit him. What was the driver doing when he hit the car? The driver was talking on the phone when the accident happened. Let's learn more about when and why. We were shopping when we saw our friends. When we saw our friends, they were eating. The driver was talking on the phone when the accident happened. What do you notice about when? Yeah, when is used to join two sentences. Comes at the beginning or at the middle of the sentence. It is used to join two actions, one in a certain time in the past, past continuous, interrupted by another one, past simple. We saw some friends while we were shopping. While we were leaving, an accident happened. While the driver was talking on the phone, the accident happened. Let's learn more about while. Is a conjunction used to join two sentences. Comes at the beginning or at the middle of the sentence. Used to join two actions, one in a certain time in the past, past continuous or past progressive, interrupted by another one, past simple. Now let's read. I was reading a book when my brother arrived home. I was reading. Here is the shorter action. We use when to connect short action with a long action. I was reading. I was reading a book when my brother I was reading a book when my brother arrived. Here we have short action and long action. I was reading a book, it was the long action. My brother arrived, it's interrupted the action here, the past simple, the short action. While Betty was shopping, her mobile phone rang. Was shopping, here is the long action, and the mobile rang is a short action. So we use past continuous to the long action, and we use the past simple with the short action. Let's go to our workbook, activity 2, page 17. You can pause to read and answer. Let's check. Number 1. Henry was walking to school when it started to rain. Harry and I were hiking in the forest when we saw a poisonous snake. While the guide was showing us an ancient city, We took photos. Number 4, Linda was talking on her phone when she walked into the shop. Now, let's go to activity number 5. Talk with your partner about the unfortunate event in the box below. Look at the children and read what are they saying. I was walking home from school when I lost my keys. While I was riding my bike, I fell and hurt my arm. Now you can do the same using the blue box. This is the end of our lesson today. Thank you for listening. Your homework, write 2 sentences using when and while in your notebook. Thank you for listening.